Have you ever seen a spider floating through the air and wondered, how can it fly without wings? You're not alone. Today, we're exploring the fascinating phenomenon known as ballooning, where spiders take to the skies in a way that seems straight out of a sci-fi movie. Ballooning is a method that spiders use to travel long distances, sometimes hundreds of miles, all without wings. But how do they do it? The answer lies in their silk and the power of physics. The process starts with the spider releasing fine silk threads from its spinnerets, the specialized organs that produce silk. These threads are incredibly light and thin, perfect for catching even the slightest breeze. As the spider releases more silk, it catches the wind, or, as recent studies suggest, it may even be influenced by electrostatic forces in the atmosphere. These forces are strong enough to lift the spider and its silk, allowing it to glide through the air. Essentially, the spider becomes a tiny parachutist, using its silk to drift to new locations. Ballooning isn't just a random act. It's a survival strategy. Spiders use this technique to disperse from crowded areas, find new habitats, escape predators, or search for food and mates. For many young spiderlings, ballooning is their first journey into the world after hatching. This behavior is common in many species of spiders, including the tiny money spiders and even some larger species. The distance they can travel varies, but in some cases, spiders have been found hundreds of miles away from their starting point, carried by the wind across oceans and continents. For ballooning to work, the right environmental conditions are crucial. Spiders typically balloon on warm days with a light breeze. They climb to a high point, like a blade of grass or a branch, and wait for the wind to pick up. When the time is right, they release their silk and take off, carried by the wind and sometimes even aided by rising thermals. There are some misconceptions about spider flight. While they do use the wind, it's not just a simple breeze that lifts them off. Recent research suggests that the Earth's electric field plays a significant role in helping spiders gain altitude. This discovery has changed how scientists understand the mechanics of ballooning. So, the next time you see a spider floating through the air, remember it's not just the wind carrying it. It's a combination of silk, physics, and perhaps even a bit of electrostatic magic. Spiders have evolved this incredible method to survive and thrive, turning what we might consider a simple thread of silk into a ticket to the skies. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the amazing world of spiders. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the natural world. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next.